It is a no-brainer that for a person to start a small business, funding is required. Whether you want to start small or big right away, a capital will be needed. After you have funded your business and have made your first sale, then the cycle of selling and buying sellable items starts, after which funding may be needed again when you want to expand the categories of your sellable items. Then, it's always advised to reinvest 100% of your profits back into the business in the early days so that you can fast-track the growth of the business. Sometimes, when searching for funding options, we can't help but be anxious. Worry not, because the good news is, apart from your business debit card, there are other ways to fund your biz. And I'm here to inform you of these other means. In this video, we will be talking about the different funding options for your Amazon business. Hi, I'm Ozzy from the Online Seller Circle, where we help out small business owners by providing helpful tips and guides. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release new videos, just like this one. So what are we waiting for? Let's start funding. To start off, the first on our list are government or other grants. These grants are available to businesses that need extra support or have been rejected for a loan. These are usually awarded to businesses in a specific region or fulfilling a specific purpose. One has to note, though, that access can be limited and schemes will change as governments change. Small business success is vital to a government's economy, so the government often provides grants and loans for brand new enterprises and business owners that need it. A loan will have to be repaid but could have favorably low interest rates or accessible terms. A grant, on the other hand, doesn't have to be repaid at all. Accessing government grants and loans can be difficult because they're designed to help the most in need. Your business will be assessed and means tested, and there could be restrictions based on your location, size, and sector. Schemes will often be limited and may not be available on an ongoing basis. In the UK, to find current government grants and loan schemes, search the Finance and Support database, which I'll also post the link within the description box below. The second one is Startup and New Businesses Loans. These are for brand new businesses. There are also government-backed finance available, although there are fewer options available from banks. New businesses often need a helping hand. Startup and new business loans are designed for brand new enterprises with a limited financial history. Startup loans are available from private loan companies and some mainstream traditional banks, including NatWest in the UK. Some entrepreneurs choose to take out a personal loan to support their business idea, which means repayment is your personal responsibility instead of the business's. The next one is a common funding option: credit cards. Credit cards are an accessible way to pay for business expenses. It's available with most business bank accounts. A business credit card can be a simple and fast way to cover large and small business expenses online and in person. Most banks offer the option of a credit card with their business current account, but your business will need a credit check before it's approved. Your card will have a monthly spending limit. Credit cards can sometimes have a higher interest rate than loans and overdrafts, so it's important to compare before you commit. If your business will be able to repay the balance in full each month, you won't pay any interest at all. One that is widely used in the Amazon circle is Capital on Tap. And here are the pros. It only takes about 4 minutes to register and be approved. The balance limit is based on business revenue. The credit limit far exceeds other credit cards. They don't charge monthly interest fees as long as you pay off the balance in full per month. They offer 1% cashback for every £1 spent. For example, if you spend £100 in 1 month, you'll get £1 back off your credit card bill. It also offers reward points, which you can use for flights in Avios, cabin upgrade, car rental, and shopping discounts. You can opt for more than one card and could use an additional card for your review and purchaser, and set a budget limit to that card. If you spend £5,000 on the card in your first 3 months, you'll receive 10,000 bonus points to redeem for £100 cashback or 10,000 Avios points. There's just one con though. They do charge a £99 per annum fee, but if you are purchasing stock on this card for your business and benefiting from the above pros, this will cover the fee and some. There's also another sweet offer on right now, which will give you a £75 cashback. To learn more, just click the link within the description box. Last but certainly not the least is Amazon Loans. Amazon Lending is a program in which Amazon offers short-term business loans to qualified sellers so that they can finance additional inventory to sell through the Amazon Marketplace. Amazon loans are invitation only and amounts range from £1,000 to £750,000 in the UK. Amazon Lending does not check credit. To receive an Amazon Lending short-term loan, you must receive an invitation from Amazon, and only registered sellers are eligible, so you must have an active seller's account and a selling history of at least 1 year. Usually, you will be notified on your main dashboard when Amazon has a loan offer to you. Loan offers are made to sellers that would most benefit from a loan to expand their businesses, and repayments are automatically taken at intervals from your available funds. Looking for funding options can be a challenge, but with the right mindset and information, it shouldn't be. If you've enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye!